What I especially like about Planz is that it is basically just another view into my file folder organization. As I add a new subheading to my plan, for example, for something like Decide on Faucets, this is just another way of adding a folder. Planz lets me use my file folders to organize not only files, but also other kinds of information that I need for the project, such as email messages and web pages. I see folders and subfolders as headings and subheadings in my plan, and I can access my files through the links in my notes. And because my plan is a document, I can move these headings, subheadings, and notes around as I like. As a project progresses, I often move headings and notes up or down so that important information is topmost. For example, I move notes topmost that point to documents I need to work on, email I need to respond to, or web pages I want to check out. I can also easily switch to a Windows Explorer window so that I can view my information directly in the file system. To the right of every heading is an icon for a folder or a folder shortcut. I can click to open the folder, just like another information item. And I can easily link in existing files and folders from elsewhere. One way to do this is simply to select a file or folder from within a Windows Explorer view, drag and then drop inside a plan. Another way to link in files and folders is through the Insert Folder and Insert File commands. Files and folders can stay where they are on a local or network drive, but now I can access them from within my plan. Links are represented locally as shortcuts. Even better, I can view a LinkedIn folder locally using a feature called In-Place Expansion. To do this, I promote the note to a heading. Now I can click to expand this heading, just like the heading for a local folder. Changes I make in my plan are also reflected in changes in my file system, so that my plan and my files and folders are always in sync. What about the other direction? No problem. If I make changes directly in the file system, I just need to remember to press the refresh button so that these changes are also reflected in my plan. If I add files or folders, these will appear initially in blue after I click refresh in Planz. Just as it's easy to get to a File Manager view from Planz, it's easy to get to a Planz view from the File Manager. For any folder I select in the Windows Explorer, I can click the right button on the mouse to see a menu that includes the option to open in Planz. When I select this command, a new Planz window appears with a special focus on the selected folder.